Hi, this is Joseph Beeline Steady Wear Skin Primary Brothers today. I want to show you our artwork. So it's our patient here named Cynthia. Cynthia, tell us what you do because it always fascinates me.
I work in law enforcement and I work I'm the bomb technician. I work on the bomb squad.
Ooh, exciting. So what was the original reason you came in?
Original reason why I came in is because general tired looking, droopy area here, just kind of like looking very drawn in, late nights, hours of work. So I wanted something to refresh.
You guys will be seeing her before and after. So this is the after video, and we're gonna go ahead and talk about what we did. So this is what we did for this beautiful client. What we did for the jawline area, as you can see, the jawline is pretty defined, and there's no bulge that comes through the jawline, and the jawline is pretty tight. So to improve this area, to pull it up, we did three things. We did fillers here, here, here to lift. The second thing is we did threads down this way to lift. The third thing is show me your lower teeth. It's clean now, but we also did the zoom in right here, right there. It's called the mini facelift, where you release the tension of muscle tension, which is called platysmal muscle, and allow this muscle up here to lift. So three things for the jawline. One is fillers to lift. Second is threads to lift. Third is release the downward pull caused by the platysmal muscle right here. All right, and so we also focused on improving the eye region and also the saggy cheek. What we did was we focused on reflating the temple, putting fillers here. As we reflate it, it actually kind of like a balloon, it tightens the area. So that's what we did to improve here.